Hi friends, this video shows how to set preferred network type NR only. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections, tap here. Tap on mobile networks. Tap on network mode. Here you can see the network mode 5G or 4G or 3G or 2G auto connect. 5G only option is not available here. I will show you how we can set 5G only or NR only. Let me close this. Then open Google Play Store. Install this app, Google Phone app. I already installed this Google Phone app. Let me open. Tap on this phone app icon. Tap on this icon. We need to dial one number. This is a number. Star hash 4636. Hash star. Done. Tap on this phone information. Go down. Tap on set preferred network type. Here we have to select NR only. Tap on NR only. Done. So now I have set preferred network type NR only. Let me verify. Go back. Close this. Again go to settings. Tap on the settings app icon. Go to connections. Go to mobile networks. See network mode 5G only or NR only. This way we can set NR only network mode. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.